Hello students, in this video we will discuss about class 9 chapter 2 Ncert questions, means in text question and exercise question also. Then start page number 15, question number 1. What is meant by a substance? A pure substance consists of a single type of particles. Question number 2. List the points of difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, it has uniform composition, no visible boundaries of separation. They consist of only one phase. Examples: sugar plus water give rise to sugar solution. In heterogeneous mixture, it does not have a uniform composition, show visible boundaries of separation. They consist of more than one phase. Examples: sugar plus sand. Then page number 18, question number 1. Differentiate between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture with example. The same question. Okay, you can write that answer. Then question number 2. How are salt, solution and suspension different from each other? Salt. Size of solute particles between 1 nm to 100 nm. It is stable. It scatters a beam of light. Solute particles pass through filter paper. Then solution. Size of solute particles less than 1 nm. Stable. They are stable. It does not scatter light. Solute particles pass through filter paper. Then suspension. Size of solute particles is more than 100 nm and they are unstable. It scattered a beam of light. Solute particles does not pass through filter paper. Then student, question number 3, it is a numerical question. To make a saturated solution, 36 gram of sodium chloride NaCl is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin. Find its concentration at this temperature. Solution or answer. Mass of solute is your sodium chloride, is 36 gram. Mass of solvent, which is water here, is 100 grams. Mass of solution equals to mass of solute plus mass of solvent equals to 36 gram plus 100 grams equals to 136 grams. Concentration equals to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100, and the final answer you will get 26.47%. Then page 24, question number 1. How will you separate a mixture containing kerosene and petrol? Difference in their boiling points in more than 25 degrees Celsius. Which are miscible with each other? Question answer A. A mixture of kerosene and petrol which is miscible with each other can be separated by the process distillation. Then we will see the process or the method how they are separated. Take a mixture in a distillation flask, fit it with a thermometer, arrange the apparatus as shown in the picture, heat the mixture slowly. Petrol vaporizes first as it has lower boiling point. It condenses in the condenser and it's collected from the condenser outside. Kerosene is left behind in the distillation flask. You can see the diagram also. Question number 2. Name the technique to separate butter from curd, and the process name is centrifugation. Salt from seawater, the process known as evaporation. Camphor from salt, and the process or the technique known as is sublimation. Question number 3. What type of mixture are separated by the technique of crystallization? Answer. Crystallization is a technique used to purify solid with some impurities in it. Example: salt from sea water. Then student, we will go to page 24, question number 2. Okay. Classify the following as chemical or physical change. Cutting of tree, you mark with me. Cutting of tree, it is a physical change. Melting of butter in a pan, it's also a physical change. Rusting of almirah, it is a chemical change. Boiling of water to form steam, it is a physical change. Passing of electric current through water and the water breakdown into hydrogen and oxygen gas, it is a chemical change. Dissolving common salt in water, it is a physical change. Making a fruit salad with raw fruits and they didn't give here. With the raw fruits, it's a physical change. Burning of paper and wood, it is a chemical change. Question number 3. Try segregation the things around you as pure substance or mixture, means separation. Pure substance are water, bread, sugar and gold. Mixture are steel, plastic, paper, talc, milk and air. Then student, we will do the NCERT exercise question. Question number 1. Which separation technique will you apply for the separation of the following? Sodium chloride from its solution in water, means salt from salt solution. Sodium chloride is a common salt, student, NaCl, and the technique used here is evaporation. Ammonium chloride from a mixture containing sodium chloride and ammonium chloride, the process used to separate this is sublimation. Small pieces of metal in an engine oil of a car, this means this will separate by the process filtration. Different pigments from an extract of flower petal, chromatography. Butter from curd, centrifugation. Oil from water, okay, separating funnel. Tea leaves from tea, filtration. Iron pins from sand, magnetic separation. Wheat grains from husk, winnowing or sedimentation. Fine mud particles suspended in water, decantation and filtration. Then student, question number 2. Then student, question number 2. Write the steps you would use for making tea. Use the word solution, solvent, solute, dissolve, soluble, insoluble, filtrate and recide. Question number 1. Answer. Step 1. Take a cup of water in a container as solvent and heat it. That means in this step, water is your solvent. Step 2. Add sugar in it, which is solute. Sugar is a solute. Heat it till all sugar dissolve. Step 3. You get a solution of water and sugar. Step 4. Sugar is soluble in water completely. 5. Add half a teaspoon of tea leaves in it. Tea leaves, it is insoluble in water. 6. Boil the content. Add milk, which is also soluble in water. Boil again. Filter the tea with the help of strainer. The tea collected in a cup is filtrated and the tea leaves collected on the strainer is residue. Question number 3. Pragya tested the solubility of 3 different substances at different temperature and collected the data as given below. Results are given in the following table as grams of substance dissolved in 100 gram of water to form a saturated solution. Okay, students? Here means this is your type of paragraph type question. Here all the They gave the detail and you need to solve this question. These type of question are very common in your exams. Then let's read the question. What mass of potassium nitrate would we need to produce a saturated solution of potassium nitrate in 50 gram of water at 313 Kelvin? Mass of KNO3 is potassium nitrate. To produce a saturated solution of KNO3 in 100 grams of water at 313 Kelvin is 62 gram. Mass of KNO3 in 50 grams of water at 313 Kelvin is equals to 62 into 50 by 100 equals to 31 grams. Pragya makes a saturated solution of potassium chloride in water at 353 Kelvin and leaves the solution to cool at room temperature. What would she absorb as the solution cools? Explain. When she will absorb that crystal of potassium chloride will be obtained on cooling the saturated solution. C. Find the solubility of each salt at 293 Kelvin. Which salt has the highest solubility at this temperature? Solubility of each salt at 293 Kelvin is potassium nitrate 32 grams, sodium chloride 36 grams, potassium chloride 35 grams and ammonium chloride is 37 grams. What is the effect of change of room temperature on the solubility of a salt? On increasing the temperature, solubility of salt increases. Then student, question number 4. Explain the following giving examples. A. Saturated solution. In a given solvent, when no more solute can be dissolved further at a given temperature is called saturated solution. Question number B. Bit B. Pure substance. A pure substance consists of a single type of particles, example gold, silver. Bit C. Colloid. A colloid is a solution in which the size of solute particles are bigger than that of true solution. These particles cannot be seen with your naked eyes. They are stable, example ink or blood. Fourth is suspension. It is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles are big enough to settle down, example chalk, water, paints and etc. Question number 5 student. Classify each of the following as a homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture: soda, water, wood, air, soil, vinegar, filtered tea. So student, this is your work. You need to do this with you, means by your own. Okay. Then next question number 6. How would you confirm that a colorless liquid given to you is pure water? Answer: by finding the boiling point of a given colorless liquid. If the liquid boils at 100 degrees Celsius at room atmospheric pressure, then it is a pure water. This is because pure substance make fixed, means they have fixed melting and boiling point. Question number 7. Which of the following materials falls in the category of a pure substance? Ice, milk, iron, hydrochloric acid HCl, calcium oxide, mercury, back, wood, air. Pure substance are ice, iron, hydrochloric acid, calcium oxide and mercury. Question number 8. Identify the solution among the following mixture. Question A, bit A, soil, seawater, air, coal, soda water. Solution are seawater, soda water and air. Question number 9. Which of the following will show Tyndall effect? A. Salt solution, B. Milk, C. Copper sulfate solution. D. Starch solution. And the answer is milk and starch solution. Question number 10, students. Classify the following into elements, compounds and mixture. A. Sodium is, I think so you all know, sodium, soil, sugar solution, silver, calcium carbonate, tin, silicon, coal, air, soap, methane, carbon dioxide, blood. Elements, compounds or mixture. In elements, it's sodium is an element, silver is an element, tin, silicon. These all are elements. Compounds are calcium carbonate, methane, carbon dioxide and soap. And mixture are sugar solution, soil, coal and blood. Question number 11, students. Which of the following are chemical change? Growth of a plant. Yes, growth of a plant is a chemical change. Rusting of iron. Yes, this is also a chemical change. Mixing of iron fillings and sands. No, students, it's not a chemical change, it's a physical change. Cooking of food, it is also chemical change. Digestion of food, it is also chemical change. Freezing of water, no, it's a physical change. And burning of a candle is a chemical change. Okay, student. With this, we have completed your NCERT question of chapter 2. And student, if you want to see any question, you can, the link of this PDF is in the description box. You can check. Thank you so much.